What's up, traders? Just want to give you a quick update on natural gas as well. Before I start a video, thank all of you who gave me a very positive feedback on my Instagram. So thanks to you all. And also, if you're getting a value out of my videos, please make sure you comment on my YouTube channel as well. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's do a quick analysis on natural gas here. So right now, as you can see the natural gas is below 50 and 20 EMA, which is a good sign of bearish trend. As mentioned in my last video, that I'll be looking for another sell trade when the market goes below this level here, which it did. And now on a 1 hour time frame, we have a nice pullback followed by the engulfing entry here. This is a valid entry for me to enter a short trade, and as a good point to enter, and I would just put my stop loss at 4.896, and I'm gonna take profit at 4.768. So that would be my target. This level here is a level of significance, a level of resistance as well. So just on the safe side, when you reach this point here, 4.790, just move your stop loss to break even, or maybe you can take your profit. I hope you're getting value out of my videos. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any updates I send every single day. If you want to trade on your own risk. This is my analysis about the market. This is how I trade. These strategies happens to be profitable for me, for my trading. I'm just sharing with you guys. So if you feel comfortable, you can take this position, and make sure you put your stop losses there, and also make sure you read the disclaimer at the start of the video. So I hope you trade green the rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.